Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. Bob here. Thanks so much for stopping by. So just a really quick one for you guys. Yesterday I had a package show up in the mail and I thought I'd save it for a little unboxing video. So the last little while I've really been going down the chronograph rabbit hole, and there's so many cool options out there, but for short-term purchases I settled on two, and one was an affordable Panda Dial chronograph. I was really looking for something in a Panda Dial, and that's what we're going to be taking a look at today. The other one that I hope to pick up maybe later this summer or in the fall is not a particular chronograph, but I'm really looking for something that's using the Lemania 5100. I just think that movement's so cool. If you're not familiar with it, give it a Google. So eventually we'll get one of those in on the channel too, but in the meantime, let's get into the Panda Dial. All right, so using the case today, I'm not sure if I've shown this on the channel. I think I might have one other time, but this was actually gifted me. I was on a trip to Nashville back in March, and a friend of mine that I met through the channel and kind of through Instagram, he's on Instagram at Wristwatch Check Daily. He does some really cool EDC gear photography, but he gifted me this, and it's been in my pocket ever since. And actually on the very same trip, I picked up the Hamilton Khaki Mechanical. I did a video on that trip, and Paul does a really cool pocket dump there, so if you want to go back and check that one out, that was a lot of fun. Really cool town. So let's get into the box here. There we go. Get that out of the way. So it's nicely packaged, and you can tell probably by the newspaper here, this is a Japanese watch. Get that out of the way. Oh, and here goes the unboxing struggle. A little bit of a different box. It's funny, I was just watching Aaron from the OFD unbox an Orient with this exact same cream colored box. I guess this is for their JDM models. And there it is. It is the Orient. They call this the Neo 70s, and I'll give you a shot here of the model number. Actually, I don't see the model number there. I'll post the model number up on the screen. The watch looks great though, and actually one of the reasons I bought this watch, so this is not my first time seeing this in person. A friend of mine here in the Toronto area has this watch, but it's just the epitome of a Panda Dial to me. A lot of Panda Dials I was looking at that were in the affordable segment just were missing something. Something was a little off, but this one is just right, so I really like that. Let me get it off the cushion here. We'll get the tags off and take a little look. And here it is with tags off, and I can already tell this will be getting a heavy dose of wrist time this summer. I just love the proportions of the subdials against the main part of the dial. The main part of the dial has a bit of a silvery shimmer. The one negative, I guess, would be the bracelet. I did know that coming in. It's got quite a bit of jingle to it, although this is the type of watch that's going to work on a lot of different strap combos, so I look forward to trying out all kinds of different ones on it. So really cool. And one thing I guess we should do here is fire up the chronograph to make sure that's running properly, which it is. This is a solar watch, by the way, so kind of a no-nonsense grab-and-go watch. Once I get my Lemania, the thing with the mechanical chronographs is there's more that can go wrong with them. I'm willing to deal with that as those type of problems come, but it's nice to have something that is really reliable like this in the collection too. So that is going to be it. I guess we will do a quick wrist shot and wrap up today's video. Alright, so check this out, guys. This thing is just gorgeous on wrist. I don't have it sized yet, but I can already tell that it is going to wear really nicely. Can't wait to get some straps on this and get some wrist time in. So definitely a full video on this coming out in the very near future. I'll probably also do a video on the khaki mechanical. I've had this a few months now, and I think this is definitely deserving of a video, so look out for that too. So lots of watch content coming up on the channel. Also at the end of July, early August, I'm away for a week and we'll be doing a travel video, so you can look out for that too. Thanks so much for stopping by, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.